Understanding, in the glow of, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, in the glow of. This phrase is not only picturesque but also widely used in English literature and everyday conversations. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it so special in the English language. In the glow of is a phrase that paints a vivid picture in our minds. It's often used to describe a situation where someone or something is basking in the soft, warm light of an object. The phrase evokes a sense of warmth, comfort, and often, a kind of metaphorical illumination. It can be used literally, like describing someone sitting in the glow of a campfire, or figuratively, such as being in the glow of someone's love or affection. To better understand, in the glow of, let's look at some examples. 1. Literary example. She sat in the glow of the setting sun, her face alight with happiness. 2. Everyday use. After receiving praise from his boss, he was in the glow of appreciation for the rest of the day. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, enriching the language with its descriptive power. The English language is rich with variations and phrases similar to, in the glow of. Some of these include, basking in the light, bathed in light, in the warmth of. Each of these has a slightly different nuance but shares the common theme of being enveloped in a positive, often luminous experience. I hope this exploration of, in the glow of, has been enlightening. This phrase is a beautiful example of how English can capture both literal and figurative experiences in a few words. Use it to add depth and warmth to your conversations or writing. Until our next lesson, keep enjoying the glow of learning English.